Magnify Your English, mastering the magic of IFY. Hello language learners. Today, we are going to dive into a fascinating part of English language learning, suffixes. Specifically, we'll explore the suffix IFY, a very useful tool that helps you transform nouns into verbs. So buckle up and get ready to magnify, clarify, and diversify your English. First things first, what is a suffix? A suffix is a letter or a group of letters added to the end of a word to change its meaning. Today, we're focusing on IFY, a suffix that turns nouns into verbs. Let's simplify this with examples. The suffix IFY can take a noun and transform it into a verb that means to make or become. For instance, the word simplify is derived from the noun simple and the suffix IFY, meaning to make simple. Isn't it easy? Here are a few more examples. Purify, from the noun pure, meaning to make pure. Diversify, from the noun diverse, meaning to make diverse or varied. Solidify, from the noun solid, meaning to make solid. Do you see the pattern? The suffix IFY allows you to create action words from descriptive words. Now, let's practice using IFY. Here are a few exercises to try out. 1. What verb can you create from the noun glory? 2. How would you transform the noun terrify into a verb? 3. Can you make a verb out of acid? Write down your answers. Now, let's compare. 1. From glory, we get glorify, meaning to make glorious. 2. From terror, we get terrify, meaning to make terrifying or to cause fear. 3. From acid, we get acidify, meaning to make acidic. How did you do? With the power of IFY, you can now transform many nouns into verbs, greatly expanding your English vocabulary. It's like casting a spell, transforming one word into another. So get out there and start IFY-ing. Keep practicing and remember, learning English, or any language, is a journey. Enjoy the process, and you'll surely magnify your skills and knowledge. See you in the next video, Language Wizards.